Are you wondering how to achieve the same layout flexibility in Flutter that you enjoyed with Relative Layout in Android? You're not alone. Today we're diving into how to replicate those features in Flutter. I completely understand your frustration. Relative Layout has been a go-to for many Android developers because of its powerful positioning capabilities. If you've been trying to find an equivalent in Flutter, you're definitely in the right place. Let's take a closer look at your specific question. You mentioned wanting to implement features like center in parent, layout below, layout above, and align parent left. These are essential for creating dynamic layouts. So how can we achieve this in Flutter? Let's explore together. In Flutter, we don't have a direct equivalent to Relative Layout, but we can use a combination of widgets to achieve similar results. Widgets like stack, column, and row can help us position elements relative to each other. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a handy tip that will make your Flutter layouts even more efficient. To achieve a layout similar to Relative Layout in Flutter, the user can utilize the Stack widget. This allows for layering widgets on top of each other, similar to how Relative Layout works. Next, the user can use the Positioned widget to place elements relative to the edges of the stack. This is similar to using layout parameters in Relative Layout. For centering a widget in the parent, the user can wrap the widget in a Center widget. This mimics the Center in Parent functionality. To align widgets to the left or right, the user can use the Align widget with alignment properties. This is similar to Align Parent Left and Align Parent Right. Finally, to create complex layouts, similar to the ones shown in the example, the user can combine multiple stacks and positioned widgets to achieve the desired arrangement. Fun fact, did you know that Flutter was created by Google to help developers build beautiful apps for both Android and iOS from a single codebase? Talk about efficiency. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user suggests using the Stack widget combined with Positioned to achieve a layout similar to Relative Layout. This method allows for precise control over the positioning of elements on the screen. In their example, they defined specific positions for icons and text, allowing for a flexible layout that can mimic the behavior of Relative Layout attributes like Center in Parent and Align Parent Left. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution to achieve a Relative Layout-like effect in Flutter is to use the Align Positioned widget from the Align Position package. This widget allows you to align, position, size, rotate, and transform its child relative to both the container and the child itself. It simplifies complex layouts that might be difficult to create with just rows and columns. For simple layouts, the user suggests that using basic rows and columns might be sufficient. They also note that they are the author of the Align Position package. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always consider using the expanded widget within rows and columns to make your layout responsive. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You can now replicate the functionality of Relative Layout in Flutter using center, column, and row widgets. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Flutter development.